Holiday season is here, gentlemen. Something else it is gift guides. And Pete and Pedro has recently launched ours. In my opinion, ours honestly is the best. If you are somebody that is looking to buy a dude in your life the most amazing grooming products, whether or not it's hair, it's body, it's deodorant, it's tools, we got you covered. We also have an amazing deal because we're so excited about it. You are going to get 15% off any order, $50 or more, but you're also going to get $27 worth of free, amazing grooming goodness. You're going to get a travel salt. You're also going to get a travel clean and a travel putty. High hold, low shine, best styling product in the market. The clean peppermint tea tree oil, sexy, yes. And also the sea salt spray is a must for every dude with hair. A few squirts after the shower, work it in, style like normal, volume for days. Gentlemen, the time, it's now. $50 or more, you're going to get 15% off. Plus, you're going to get 3 amazing products from Pete and Pedro for free. $27 value. All the information and code around here somewhere.